Hi everybody. Hi, crazy person.
You guys ready to go sailing tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe we'll see some dolphins?
Yay.
And fishies?
Yay.
Yay.
We'll see lots of fishes.
Yeah, maybe manatees.
Oh.
What else?
Sights.
You want to see sharks?
Yeah.
Big ones or little ones?
Little baby ones.
Little baby ones?
Yeah. And we're gonna eat muffin strawberries.
Muffin strawberries.
Like these.
Yeah.
They're my bones. These.
Hmm.
Oh, that's good.
Ellie Belly, are you ready to go sailing? Hmm?
I think he said yeah.
Yeah. I think she's
we're-
ready. Emma,
Yeah.
are you excited to live on the boat?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah?
Except I don't want to eat fish.
You don't have to eat fish.
Thank you.
Okay. You think Ellie's excited to live on the boat?
Yeah.
Liam, are you excited to live on the boat?
Uh-huh.
You are? You're so excited?
But I don't want to eat this.
Okay.
either. And we can hang on the beach like Ula.
Where do you want to go? Where are some places that you want to go when you go sailing?
Africa.
Africa? You want to go to Africa? Yeah? What about, you want to go to the Bahamas?
Yeah.
Yeah? You
Cuba.
want to go to Cuba?
I'm going to Cottrells.
You want to go to Paw Patrol's? Where do you think they live? Quit licking that.
Cottrells.
Yeah, where do you think Paw Patrols live?
And they were home.
In their home?
Where is their home? I think Diego.
Diego?
Yeah, Diego. I think one of my friends is named Diego.
Well, maybe we can do some more research and find out where the Paw Patrol people are.
Toy Store.
Paw Patrol World.
The lookout. Ah!
Yeah.
Bye, poop pegs.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake. La 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 la.
Good morning. Today we are making a potty pad. We basically bought a bottom of a cage crate and some grass from Sam's Club, which actually looks like this before you cut it, so we have a ton of extra, but took a chunk of that. It's meant for like people that want to turn their entire backyard into fake grass, so it has like really good drainage. So I think it's gonna work good for the doggies to go potty on, and it'll all run down to the mat, and then we can dump it over or do whatever with it.
Patent pending.
Yeah, patent pending. Hopefully it's gonna work well. The dogs have been wanting to come over to it while he's working on it to pee on it, so I think it's gonna be fantastic.
I'm a young soul in this very strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about what is true and fake. But while these hate try to communicate, finding trust and love is not always easy to make.
Yeah, I think it's beautiful. Puppy pad. Show us your room, Liam.
This is it.
Yeah, you got pretty lights.
His windows open and shut.
And stars.
This is and Chompy in his
Chompy.
bed. And that's for him.
Oh, is that his bed?
Yeah.
I think he needs a bigger bed.
His windows open and shut.
Ooh, what's out there?
Water.
Want to see? Let's
I don't see.
Oh, low tide. Sounds like Dad's breaking things out there, huh? Let's peek. Let's peek at Dad. Open up that window. Alright, let's peek at Dad. Ready?
I'm good. We're live.
Hello.
Peeky boo.
Peeky boo.
Oh, bless you. Alright, Emma, let's go show everybody your room.
No.
What do you have on your room?
Help me.
Come on. What do you have? Moana?
I have a Moana sheet and a pretty seashell.
Oh, it is pretty.
I have a new diary.
Yeah, you got that for what?
I got that for Christmas.
Yeah, for Christmas. What's out your window? Can we see?
I got crabbies out my window.
Oh yeah, you gotta take your lights down. You got them hung up on your window.
Let's peek on the...
Let's peek out your window. Let's see what you got.
I got crabbies. Whee!
Crabbies. Are there any out there?
Yeah, there's one
It's very yucky outside, huh?
There's one on the pool.
And what else?
Peeky boo.
More Dad. We see a butt crack.
Dad's butt crack.
Yeah.
It's a cute room, huh?
And I have a cute unicorn.
Let's see.
And I have a cute crocodile.
You got a cute crocodile?
It's going...
Emma, did you sleep good last night?
No.
Why? It was the first
I
day
did.
You did? Who snuggled with you, Liam?
Something
And Ellie and Chompy. Who snuggled with you?
Tayan and my unicorn.
Yeah. Did Ty pick up all the room?
Yes.
Yeah. Takes up lots of room, huh?
And he was on my leg the whole night like a pillow, and it was sweating.
Yeah.
My pigs.
You ready to go sailing?
Yeah, for the whole entire day.
The whole day and all night. Yeah. With Ellie and Ty. And both heathens.
What's a heathen?
You.
Oh.
Are you excited to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go. It's gonna be so fun.
Just stuck by whatever thought he's got there.
Emma, your hair's crazy.
I know.
Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Pretty good.
Are you sailing?
Yeah.
Tata, you look so handsome in your life jacket. Huh?
The dolphin was stuck with us probably if the engine was off.
Jail time. Liam,
What?
say hello. What are you eating? Cereal. Ellie Belly, are you in jail?
She was out in the water, she was out in the rain.
She was singing a song no one else could hear her play. She was shivering from the kindness of a boy she wasn't supposed to see. She was walking into water, she was drifting in the sea. She was risking all the things she couldn't quite leave. She was raised in the water, she was raised in the sky. Maybe I'll sing you a line, he said from some distant star. Honey, I don't believe in majesty or things that you compare. Just wanna be here now, tasting the salty sea air. Just wanna be here now, tasting the salty sea air.
River and on this side.
Hi, hi.
She was out in the water, she was out in the rain. Her bare heart soaked, her hands still stained from the push-pull of another who could barely behave. But his kiss, his touch like honey, too sticky to erase. Yes, his touch, his kiss like honey, too sticky to erase. She was out in the water, she was out in the sky. She was making a map out by disaster and light. She was drifting through the field of her little white lies, picking up petal by petal what she could no longer hide. And the ember of his eyes rolled out like the tide. You held my hand on the way.
Okay, so the boys are up front dropping the anchor now. Kind of had to change our plan. We were gonna go to Egmont Key and anchor out over there, but the wind is a little too rough. Pretty big
I am brave.
waves out there, and we were just not making much
If you look at me,
as far as
I am out of space.
getting anywhere. We were kind of just stuck in one place with the wind, so we turned around and now we're anchored by an island.
Liam, open your window. Someone wants to talk to you. Liam, open your window. Okay, close it now.
There's nothing there.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh
I'm going to do. Yeah.
Cars that are turned off. Well, I guess I'm
no!
thinking.
Remove your fingers.
Hello. I'm close to cut leg.
The cut leg is squeezy.
Liam, what happened to Grandpa's leg?
It's like bite him his leg off.
Yeah?
Like
Where did Grandpa get his necklace from?
from a side.
The same shark?
Yeah, brown one.
It was a brown shark?
Yeah. It's
Oh.
a
Grandpa's
tiger.
old, but you ain't that
It's
old.
like a tiger side.
It was a tiger shark?
Yeah, he take it. He take it too.
Huh.
It was upside down.
Oh, really?
It's upside down when it bumped me. Ah. Nope.
I don't think it can turn anymore that way, buddy.
What?
It's not turning no more.
Here, bub.
Yeah, Yeah, same mullet fish.
Yep.
Marry now, I won't give you presents, poor pig.
What are you talking about, Liam?
I won't give you presents, poor pig.
Who's a poop head?
Poop head. Who's a poop head?
Crab was on.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna attempt to make dinner for the first time on the boat. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna attempt to make spaghetti.
I want to love you, but if it's not right, what can I do? Everything gon' be alright. So baby, get some sleep tonight.
Hey, what about the dogs?
How was it, Emma?
Good. But what about the dogs?
We're good.
We're gonna fall off the boat.
We can see him right there.
I can't see Diane.
Ellie's sitting right there at the door.
Oh, he's sitting right there on the pee-pee pad, not peeing on it.
So why is it a pee?
It's supposed to be.
Instead for the dog, it's a lay down pad.
Yeah.
Tastes like good spaghetti.
Mom, honey,
Do you want some now?
no, he just says CEO. But the dog
Is that what
didn't
your
know.
belly says?
Oh,
Your belly says cereal?
Yeah.
Well, we can't have cereal unless the sun is out and it's too dark for cereal.
but I can see it when the lights on.
You
No.
can see the cereal with the lights on.
You gotta have the
He's
sun
got
out.
logic.
He does. He's gotta have the sun out. As much as the dogs loved being on the boat, neither one of them wanted to use a new potty pad. So Grandma and Grandpa came to the rescue and brought them back to dry land. Liam, are you going pee?
He's going to pee. He is making water.
It's gonna be cold.
Before pulling up the anchor the next morning, we found starfish hanging out just under the boat. Unfortunately, it was too cold to jump in for a closer look. Maybe next time. Mm-hmm. See the pelicans out there?
I don't see them.
You see some?
They're hiding.
There.
Oh, see one! And right there, he moving away for our boat.
He's fast.
He's best Caesar.
He's a racing sea star. We got the engine off, put the sail up.
Oh, there's a river that winds on forever. I'm gonna see where it leads. Oh, there's a mountain that no man has mounted. I'm gonna stand on a peak. Out there's a land that time don't command. Wanna be the first to arrive. No time for pondering why I'm wandering on while we both survive. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? If you won't have a say like it does to me. desert that size can't be measured. I'm gonna count all the dunes. Out there's a world that calls for the girl, heading out into the unknown, with fear and strangers and all kinds of danger. Please don't say I'm going alone. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me?
What happened, Cody?
4.5 feet of water.
The boat broke down.
Boat broke down.
What are we gonna do?
Call the tow truck.
Tow truck? I don't know if a tow truck can make it out here.
Well, they have the equivalent.
Towboat?
Oh, there's a bird in the water.
Well, depending on
We-
when it gets here.
Almost made it. That's where we want to go, right there. And we died. Oh, here comes our rescue.
What's up, guys?
Hi.
We broke down. I think it's like the damn. I was testing it out, you know, when you like slow down to see if it was gonna cut off on me.
Right.
And it cut off. And I'm like, okay, cool. And then it went off, and then I said, oh, maybe if I go ease like real slow down, it won't cut off. And then it cut off, and then it wouldn't start. So I'm like, sweet. We've been drifting for a while.
All right, we were drifting the right direction.
Yeah, kind of steering the right way. Yeah, are you steering back there? I'm trying.
He's all right.
See a house. And a big, huge house.
I would put it up anyway. There's one in the canal, so.
That doesn't pop off there.
Yeah. Emma, can you come scoot back here and sit next to this thing? Sit right there with your butt. There you go. Sit on your butt.
Something.
Wake. Wake.
Minimum weight. What's a minimum?
That means the waves that your boat makes when you're moving.
Minimum weight.
It means don't make a bunch of waves. Just a little bit, minimum. We had a great day sailing out in Tampa Bay. Unfortunately, the engine decided to die right outside of the canal. Repowering the boat was already on our to-do list, but we were hoping this one would last just a little bit longer. Time to start shopping for a new engine now, I guess. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.